Hi friends, this is Chiro again. So my father had his wish to see Statue of Unity and compare it with Statue of Liberty. So me and Poonam we decided to fulfill his bucket list once again after touching the Ganges at Banaras, then touching the snow. He wanted to touch the snow in Ladakh, so we took him there last year. And then he said, okay, he wants to now see Statue of Unity. So we decided in October that we'll go, but he wasn't feeling well then. So we couldn't go, and then suddenly we came back from Calcutta last month, and he said, when are you taking me to Statue of Unity? So me and Poonam, we decided that we had a quick 5 days break from work, and we decided to take him to Statue of Unity, which wasn't easy for a 87-year-old man with Parkinson's and you know walking disability, to take him in the car and take him all the way. But the weather in Delhi was getting hostile at about 3.5, 4 degrees centigrade, and Gujarat was alluring at about 32. So we decided to break the trip into 500 kilometers each, and so we reached Statue of Unity, and he had his wish fulfilled. So here are a few moments, from that trip of 5 days, we spent out with him. We felt nice. It was like a pilgrimage for us, fulfilling his wish. I hope we can do many more of his wishes. So thanks all for watching and going around with us virtually through this video. Thank you all.
অশেষ বাসনা লয়ে ভাঙা বল, অশেষ বাসনা লয়ে ভাঙা বল, প্রাণপণ কাজে পায়ে ভাঙা ফল, ভাঙা করি ধরে ভাসে পারাবারে, ভাঙা করি ধরে ভাসে পারাবারে, ভাবকে দে মারে ভাঙা ভাষা, হৃদয়ে আধো পরিচয়, আধো খানি কথা সঙ্গ নাহি হয়, হৃদয়ে আধো পরিচয়, আধো খানি কথা সঙ্গ নাহি হয়, লাজে ভয়ে ত্রাসে আধো বিশ্বাসী, লাজে ভয়ে ত্রাসে আধো বিশ্বাসী, শুধু আধো খানি ভালোবাসা, শুধু যাওয়া আশা, শুধু স্রোতে ভাষা, শুধু যাওয়া